Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hayden. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Helps me out a lot. Now let's get into it. Today, I'm joined with my buddy Gabe.
Hello.
And we're at the Herbert Hoover Historical Village here in West Branch, Iowa. So, just to overview the landscape, Hoover's birthday house. Gabe was messing around earlier with these latches. But anyway, so this is part of the blacksmith where Hoover's dad worked. We have a cell. Gabe, you think that's a cellar door?
No, I don't think so. I think it's some kind of cabinet.
Or a cabinet, yeah. And we just got all the blacksmith tools you need. We got a little water pitcher on a stump. Don't know why you need that. We've got an anvil, lathe, all the cross saws, yokes. We got a jigsaw, post and beam boring timber. We have a John Deere ironclad wagon. That's sad that's in that bad of shape. And John Deere sled also in bad shape. Planers and planes. We got a woodworking vise. These are some of the hinges to get them locked in up here. Hinge for the skate. We got the horseshoes, poker, dinner bell, horseshoes again, lamps. We got the 4-inch blacksmith vise, tools and steel, horseshoes again. We got the 8-inch blacksmith vise. We have the forge. We have a single bottom, left hand walking moldboard plow, horse drawn. We got a barrel stave, whatever you call them, benders. I don't know the term for them. We got a grinding stone. We got the big punch. Got all the tongs and tools. We got the swage block. Got the big anvil. We got a... What is this, Gabe? Shearing machine?
It could be that or...
Because it's got a... It might be a crimper. Made by the Rockford Manufacturing Company out of Rockford, Illinois. We got a big shear. We got chain. We got wagon wheels. We got rope.
Yes.
And other stuff. And we got check wire back up in there. And we got the little buggy seat, which if you're sitting on it like this, it literally bounces because it's on springs. So anyways, hope you all enjoyed. This is the Herbert Hoover Museum in West Branch, Iowa. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.